Hello, we'll talk about a very important issue. So you cannot directly use OR and AND function inside your array formulas or inside a filter. So now we'll discuss what way you can get around this and benefit of different approaches and combine different logics into one filter function, or you can do it with array function if you wish to later. Okay, here is our table. I guess I'm showing you, I'm showing you your it's like table, dummy table of data, and I want to repeat it with a filter just to show the most basic formula first, and next we'll make it more advanced. This condition where column E is not equals empty string, so we'll just repeat the table, but it makes no sense because we already have this table. So I only wish to select where column A is equal to something, to say it will be table column tables. I must be precise, and I see only tables. But what if I want to select tables or sheets? I can use very easy technique. I'll make it inside parens and copy this, and you see this plus sign, it means OR, because as I said earlier, Boolean logic is like numbers. So when you say it is true, it will be 1. It is true will be 1. 1 plus 1 equals truth. So it will give us true if anything of true. For instance, this is false. False is transformed into 0. Then if this is true, this will be transformed to 1, and the sum will be 1, which is also truth. And also I need to change this to sheets, of course. So now I have tables and sheets, but I want to select only cool tables or cool sheets. So I want to add another AND solution, but it must be above this OR. These or this multiply by another condition. Sorry, not solution, but condition. Yeah, so I select from B to through B. I'll just print it out, and it must be cool. But you see the error in my logic now, because this equal may go after multiply, but I want to make it inside parens, so my operation will go in the correct order. And now this formula looks fine to me, and I see only cool tables or cool sheets. And that's a very interesting approach. Let's also add something new like a condition where this column C is greater than, I guess, greater than 25. It will be okay. And I also need to add a condition where this column G is greater than 25. So how can I do it? I can multiply by the third condition, which is also this is greater than 25. And now I have only cool tables or cool sheets, which are greater than 25. Column C is greater than my number. But if I don't want it to be greater than 25? I just want to make less or equal to 25. So just changing these conditions will give me any combination of options. If I add not, for instance, I want it to be not table and not sheets, but it will be AND solution, so it has no sense. But let's make not cool tables and not cool sheets. Not, click enter, and now I have only OK table, which is less than 25. If I get rid of this condition, maybe I've got more. No, I only this one OK table. But if I add OK here too, maybe I'll get more rows. So you can see it is it looks like a constructor. So you can construct from different pieces your formula and combine into any complex condition, but you need to do it step by step, because if you do it in one in one go, so you can easily make a mistake. So if you do it step by step, then you won't do any mistakes. This is just how I create formulas. I often create some small formula first and then make it more complicated, and always test it versus my data to see if the result was the same as expected.